Do you often find yourself delaying important tasks, struggling with laziness, distractions, or overthinking? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome to Anil Saharan, where we uncover the 17 habits that make people procrastinate and, most importantly, how to fix them. Let's power up your productivity together. 1. Habit of perfectionism. Detail: you delay starting tasks because you want everything to be perfect. Fear of small mistakes holds you back. Solution: embrace the mindset. Done is better than perfect. Set small, realistic goals. Allow room for improvement with each attempt. 2. Fear of failure or criticism. Detail: fear of failure, rejection, or criticism prevents you from moving forward. Solution: treat failure as a learning opportunity. Start with small, manageable steps. Cultivate positive thinking and self-belief. 3. Distractions, lack of focus. Detail: overuse of social media, TV, or mobile devices distracts you from work. Solution: use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, break for 5 minutes. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Choose a quiet and organized workspace. 4. Laziness. Detail: procrastinating or wasting time due to a lack of energy or motivation. Solution: create a healthy routine. Start your day with exercise or meditation. Reward yourself for completing small tasks. 5. Lack of prioritization. Detail: not knowing what task to do first leads to delays. Solution: create a to-do list and rank tasks by importance. Apply the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle. Focus on the 20% tasks that create 80% of the impact. 6. Overthinking. Detail: excessive thinking makes tasks seem more complicated, delaying their start. Solution: remember, action cures fear. Set a time limit for thinking and start acting. Practice mindfulness to reduce overthinking. 7. Lack of self-confidence. Detail: believing you're not capable of completing the task. Solution: engage in positive self-talk. Recall past achievements to boost confidence. Take small steps to build momentum. 8. Low physical energy. Detail: physical exhaustion or lack of energy leads to procrastination. Solution: eat a balanced and nutritious diet. Ensure 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Incorporate regular exercise or yoga into your routine. 9. Lack of discipline. Detail: an unstructured lifestyle makes you disorganized. Solution: create a daily routine and stick to it. Be punctual with your commitments. Allocate specific times for each task. 10. Perceiving tasks as too difficult. Detail: believing that the task is beyond your ability. Solution: break down large tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Set initial, achievable targets. Reward yourself after completing challenging tasks. 11. Poor time management. Detail: not utilizing your time effectively leads to delays. Solution: plan your day in advance. Block time for specific tasks and focus. Review your progress daily to identify improvements. 12. Making excuses. Detail: constantly finding reasons to avoid work. Solution: be honest with yourself about the real reasons for procrastination. Identify and eliminate your excuses. Develop a mindset of "I can do it." 13. Lack of focus. Detail: struggling to concentrate on one task at a time. Solution: avoid multitasking. Practice deep work techniques for better focus. Take short breaks to refresh your mind. 14. Ignoring small tasks. Detail: Believing small tasks can be done later, so you delay them. Solution: follow the 2-minute rule. If a task can be done in 2 minutes, do it immediately. Complete small tasks daily to maintain momentum. 15. Lack of planning. Detail: starting tasks without a clear plan leads to confusion and delays. Solution: create a detailed plan for each project. Set deadlines and milestones. Regularly track your progress. 16. Negative environment. Detail: surrounding yourself with people who discourage or demotivate you. Solution: spend time with positive and inspiring people. Read motivational books or watch inspiring content. Minimize interaction with negative individuals. 17. Taking long breaks. Detail: turning short breaks into long ones, wasting valuable time. Solution: set a timer for breaks to limit their duration. Balance work and relaxation effectively. Stay mindful of your goals and deadlines. Procrastination isn't just about laziness. It's about habits. By addressing these 17 habits, you can unlock your true potential. Remember, action is the key to change. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Anil Saharan. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with more inspiring and educational content. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. This structure ensures the audience is engaged from start to finish while promoting your channel effectively.